These hacks are mind-blowing. Like, seriously, I've never shared them.
Today's video is brought to you in part by ThredUp. This weekender bag is amazing, plus all of the incredible ways you can pack it on a dime.
We are in the Dollar Tree, and I have found 3 products you can't miss. And the first are these little travel bags. They're really high quality. They have kind of a vinyl outside and they have a soft inside. This is perfect for organizing your purse. And man, do I have a hack for you.
Stay tuned because it's coming up.
They also have amazing lipstick cases, and I don't know about you, but every time I'm traveling,
I wish I had a little compact mirror. These are incredibly high quality for $1.25. They come in all different patterns, and there's a beautiful little clasp on the outside, and it fits a tube of lipstick perfectly. You know everything I bring you is the stuff that actually works, okay?
This is a brand new product at Dollar Tree. All right, they have these Dove Original Clean aluminum-free deodorants. Look at this.
This is an amazing spot to check right now for all of your travel essentials. You can save so much. My store even had name brand Scope as well as Dove. It had Pantene. These are so much more money at other stores. But we are just warming up. Like, this keeps getting better. They also have amazing travel tubes. I really liked these travel jars. But the unsung $1.25 product is this pump dispenser. Now, you could put so many different things in this, but when I'm traveling, I take my Brazilian Boom Boom cream. This mimics those really high-end dispensers, and I can bring just the right amount for travel. And you want to save yourself $10 and get an amazing night's sleep? Grab these Assured brand earplugs. I always stick these in my luggage and use them every time.
You can also come to the pill section. This is a great way to bring kind of a little like buffet of a pharmacy, if you will. We're gonna label this and also put jewelry in here. Really, the sky is the limit. We're gonna come to the Crafters Square. They have these organizer boxes. This is equally great for traveling. Like, I have to know in the comments how you would use these. I was thinking earrings. Oh, like pins. If you're going to Disney, you know, like those collector pins that you could put like in the parks. There's so many uses for this. I wanna hear your creative ideas.
Everything is compact, easy to see, and you're always prepared.
Also in the cleaning section, there is a hidden product. Come here. OxyClean stain removing pens. Literally, when you see these, scoop them up, grab 1, grab 2, throw them into your luggage. They are awesome. They work just like the Tide pens. They have stain remover wipes that are also awesome. You get 12 for $1.25. These are a great item to stick in your purse. And speaking of purse, wait, I almost forgot. Hold on. This stuff is fantastic. I buy it all the time. These hand sanitizers that come in spray pens. Coconut is my favorite, but it also comes in a lavender and a citrus. Let me know in the comments which one you like.
And I know you want to go in and actually be able to find these items. Everything I'm putting in this little bag can all be found at the Dollar Tree, and they're all in stock in almost every single Dollar Tree. Gosh, these two are some of my favorites, so you know that deodorant is also aluminum free. And I told you, I'm gonna pack the whole darn bag, so you just stay tuned for this hack.
And when it comes to packing your clothes, I am so thankful to ThredUp for sponsoring this part of the video. This dress came from ThredUp. It is a Free People dress that retails for $158, and I got it for just $25. I also got these adorable Grecian sandals that retail for $168. I got them for $40. Now, if you've never shopped ThredUp, ThredUp has over 55,000 brands and more than 4 million unique items that you can shop every single day. You can really easily search for items that match the latest fashion trends. And so one of my favorite things to do is actually shop their accessories. Check this out. So this is a dress that I got from ThredUp a few seasons ago, and what I like to do is grab some accessories. This is an almost $50 Anthropologie belt that I got for just 20 bucks. Check this out. I love how this simple belt completely changes up the dress. It gives it kind of a new look and makes it feel like new, but I did it on a budget. I also get to try new styles that I normally wouldn't try. So this is a almost $300 Free People jumpsuit, and I got it for just 50 bucks. This was on super sale. They have tons of great sales. So oftentimes I filter by the sales too, so I can see what they have. And sometimes I start with an accessory. They have amazing sunglasses that I've gotten on ThredUp. Also super cute shoes like these as well. I really like to explore, and then I can try new things. I love to look for clearances on ThredUp, okay? This Free People skirt retails for $105, and I got it for $50. $15. You can find some screaming deals on there. This is so high quality. I love the sheen in this skirt, and I love the pop of color in the ThredUp shoes. And in addition to the incredible savings, use the code DIME45 at checkout and you're going to get an additional 45% off of your first order plus free shipping. I have never seen a deal this good. I literally cannot wait to see what you find for vacation. Definitely take a look, especially at the accessories.
And check out this hack. We're gonna stack it with some Dollar Tree stuff too. This is my favorite weekender bag. This is just $42, okay? And what I love about this is it's convertible. It's a duffel bag, but it's also a garment bag in one. It zips together, it's so easy to use, and it's waterproof. Let me know in the comments down below where you're headed this summer. So we're headed to Tennessee, and we're also headed out to Colorado. I really love how I can stack up 3 to 4 garments, actually hang them on their hangers. So when I get to my destination, I'm ready to use them. This is really great for dresses too. And of course, all of these are my staple items that I 100% thrifted. This has lots of extra pockets too, so stay tuned. I've got some more hacks I want to show you. But what I love about this is the sides actually zip up. So then this garment bag converts right into a duffel bag, and it's got lots of room on the inside. So then I can stick all of my packing cubes. I'm about to blow your mind with some of these Dollar Tree hacks, so don't you go anywhere. Did you know that you can use washable garment bags as packing cubes? You get 2 for $1.25. These are the perfect size. They're almost exactly a packing cube size, so I put entire outfits into these. And of course, there's the shower cap hack, right? I always put these on the bottom of my sneakers, my shoes, so that way nothing in the luggage is gonna get dirty. Then I can put all the packing cubes inside and zip this up. This packed me for 4 days for a trip in one bag. It's really easy to carry and it looks super cute too. Then you're ready for when you get to your destination, and there are 2 products from the Dollar Tree that do not seem like they'd be amazing for travel, but they are hidden inside of this bag. I can't wait to show you.
Who would have thought Dollar Tree faux leather you could use for travel? Yes, ma'am. I want you to grab some ribbon and a hole punch, and we're gonna make an amazing contact case, jewelry holding case. This thing's awesome.
Trace over the faux leather something round. I just used this wooden piece, and then you want to cut it out. And then I took a hole punch and I punched about 1 inch between each of the holes all the way around the circle. 1 spool of ribbon will do you right. Then go back and forth just like you're stitching all the way around the circle. Then using another piece of ribbon, you want to go back around the other way because we're going to create a beautiful drawstring pouch. This is actually really relaxing to make and so easy. Then you want to give the string a cut after giving it a light pull, and then you can stick anything you want inside, from jewelry or my personal favorite, contacts, also hair ties. This is so easy to travel with, elegant, and I also think makes a great gift idea. This slips into any pocket, it prevents them from getting broken and lost. And I would be remiss if I didn't tell you why I packed in a teeny tiny little tub of Vaseline. So this hack, I got so many comments on in my last video, I had to show you again, especially in a packing video. Put your Vaseline in gently boiling water for a few minutes, and that's gonna make it nice and soft. Then I stir it with a toothpick, and can you guess where I'm going with this? You're going to take your favorite perfume and spray about 10 to 15 sprays. Or maybe you don't wear perfume, but you use essential oil. You could add a little bit of this inside too. This is a really easy thing to put in your purse. All you have to do is rub this on the inside of your wrists and you smell incredible all day long. And speaking of your purse, did you know Dollar Tree has name brand facial wipes? They also have these lint rollers. They're adorable and they fit so well inside. And even name brand hair ties. I am saying right now these stores are stocked, especially for travel. Advil and Tylenol at this price is incredible. And you know what's so funny? I talked to so many people, including my amazing camera girl who gave me her purse. And she was like, I'm sorry, I love that we're filming a packing video, Kathryn, and I cannot find literally anything in my purse. So before I wrapped shooting, I was like, my friend, we are gonna clean up your purse so you are ready for all of your travel this summer. I took some of those Dollar Tree bags and I just started sorting items like with like. And this only took us about 10 minutes. And I am queen of the Sharpie, especially when trying to stay organized. And so you know, these Dollar Tree bags, I keep bringing them up because they're that great. Take a Sharpie really well. So if you don't have a Cricut machine or a fancy labeler, literally just write on the front exactly what's inside. And do something for yourself. Love your purse again. So I took this gunk getter. Now you may remember I showed this in a recent Dollar Tree video to clean your car. Stick this inside your purse, roll it around, get all of those little hair, those sparkles, all that stuff that ends up inside, and you are ready for your travel moment. I'd love to know what your favorite trick is in the comments below.
Be sure to click the link in my description and check out ThredUp for 45% off of your first order plus free shipping. My beautiful friend, if nobody has told you, guess what? You are enough. Okay, see you soon.